Whether you are getting a new car or have one already, you should know how important it is to have affordable auto insurance. The rising cost of goods and services makes it imperative for consumers to find different ways to reduce their monthly expenses. Shopping around has always been the traditional method of getting the best bargain for whatever you want to buy. Auto insurance comparison makes it easy for consumers to get quality policies at affordable premiums. What constitutes affordable coverage varies from one individual to another. You have to evaluate your budget to know how much you can afford to pay without any financial strain. You should also be ready to spend a little time on some research to find a company that will give you the best bargain. You may have to take your eyes off the popular providers to find smaller, reputable companies that are ready to give reasonable discounts. You should ask some of the people you know for recommendations. These could be friends, relations, or colleagues. People who have used a car for some years usually have experience in getting cheap car insurance. The advice that you will receive from these people could reduce the amount of search that you need to do. They can easily direct you to car insurance companies that have good customer service and affordable insurance quotes. The Internet is a great resource that you cannot ignore in getting a lower auto insurance rate. There are a lot of websites that make it very easy for consumers to make quick auto insurance comparison. Most of them have a simple form that you fill with a few details. They are affiliated with several reputable insurance companies that make their rates available free of charge. There are some things you should know about making auto insurance comparison on the Internet. The personal information that you provide will be given to the insurance agents that are affiliated with the website. These agents are likely to contact you either through fax message, email, or phone. You should also know that the quotes that are presented to you may not represent the total amount that you will pay for the policy. Most of these online rates only include the basic payments that have to be made on the policy. It is important for you to have a basic understanding of how insurers determine the rates that they give to individuals. When you apply for car insurance, the auto insurance company is going to place you in a particular category. Your category will determine how much you will have to pay in premiums. People who are considered to have a higher risk of having accidents are usually considered as high-risk drivers. This includes young drivers and individuals with bad driving records. At the same time, there are certain categories of drivers that are given lower rates. These include married drivers who are over 25 years old, individuals in respectable professions like lawyers, doctors, and engineers. Students who have good grades are also considered as lower risk. A good way for a high-risk driver to reduce his or her rates is to enroll in a defensive driving course. When you are getting car insurance online, you should take time to make some necessary checks on the provider that you want to use. You could visit the BBB website to check the company's rating. You should also check the company's financial rating with Standard & Poor and AM Best. This second check is very necessary in order to confirm the financial standing of the insurance company. A company that is rated poorly by these websites may have problems paying out claims to consumers. Apart from making auto insurance comparison, there are other things that you can do that will help you to lower your auto insurance rates. The type of car that you drive is an important factor that affects the quotes that you will be given. If you are driving a classic car, then you should expect to pay higher premiums. The cheaper your car is, the lower the rates that you are likely to get. You should also ensure that your vehicle has all necessary security fittings such as car theft alarms. When you start looking for auto insurance, be ready to do a lot of comparison and research. You should also look out for providers that specialize in providing insurance for high-risk individuals. Take advantage of discounts that you qualify for. Find a balance between a cheap rate and the quality of service that is offered by the company. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.